Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we will learn about the circulatory system, which is also known as the cardiovascular system. We will discuss about its features, why it's important and a disease associated with this megasystem.
First of all, what is the circulatory system? It is a system comprised of blood vessels. This include arteries, veins and capillaries. Also there is a muscular pump and is the core of this major system, which is called the heart. The heart is made up of four equally sized chambers that are separated by valves. They open and close to control the flow of blood through the heart. The four chambers are called the left atrium, the left ventricle, the right atrium and the right ventricle. The left atrium receives deoxygenated blood from the body and the right atrium pumps oxygenated blood to the body. The left ventricle, on the other hand, pumps blood to the lungs while the right ventricle receives blood from the lungs.
So you now know about the structure of the heart, don't you? If you have any questions, please ask us in the comments section below. Now let's discuss about the blood vessels associated with the circulatory system. To start with, we have arteries. Now, arteries are blood vessels that transport oxygenated blood around the body or away from the heart. The only exception is when transporting deoxygenated blood to the lungs. Because blood has to be transported all around the body through arteries, blood travels in a very high pressure, and to withstand this, arteries are made up of a thick elastic and muscular wall. Without them, the vessel would burst. Next, we have veins. Veins are blood vessels that carry deoxygenated blood to the heart, except when carrying blood to the heart from the lungs. Since blood travels through veins in much lower pressure than arteries, they don't have thick elastic and muscular walls. Instead they have valves just like in the heart to make sure that blood only flows in one direction. Lastly, capillaries. They are narrow blood vessels that connect arteries and veins together. They are 1 cell thick because these vessels are the vessels that supply necessary nutrients to body cells. By being 1 cell thick allows for the easy diffusion of substances into and out of the blood vessel.
Now let's become a bit more specific. The aorta carries blood from the heart to the other organs of the body. The superior vena cava brings blood from the upper part of the body to the heart, and the inferior vena cava brings blood from the lower part of the body. The pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs, and oxygenated blood from the lungs travels to the heart via the pulmonary vein. The hepatic artery carries blood to the liver, and the hepatic vein connects blood from the liver with the inferior vena cava. However, there is something to note. The hepatic portal vein is a blood vessel that connects the intestines with the liver. It transports absorbed nutrients. Finally, the renal artery brings blood to the kidneys, and the renal vein connects blood from the kidneys to the inferior vena cava. We have learned so many interesting and important facts about the circulatory system, and now we will look into diseases associated with the cardiovascular system. Let's discuss about coronary heart disease. This occurs when cholesterol deposits on the walls of the coronary artery. This in turn reduces the diameter of the artery, so less blood flows to the heart. At one point, the artery will become completely blocked, which cuts the supply of blood to the heart. As a result, the heart stops pumping and the body cells die due to oxygen starvation.
Today's fun fact: humans have dual circulation while animals, for example fish, have single circulation. In dual circulation, blood arrives at the heart twice before passing to the body. First, deoxygenated blood arrives at the heart, and this blood is then pumped to the lungs to become oxygenated blood. This oxygenated blood travels to the heart to be pumped around the body. A process as such does not happen in single circulation.
Well, that brings us to the end of this lesson. We hope that this video helped you in understanding the circulatory system. If you found the video useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Also check out our Facebook and Instagram pages linked in the video description below, and we'll see you in another video. Bye.